In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment forms in WPForms. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard because that's where the full setup happens. Once you're logged in, go to Plugins, then Add New, and upload your WPForms Pro plugin. After the upload finishes, activate the plugin so it's ready to use on your site. This gives you access to the features you'll need for building a payment form. Next, head over to WP Forms in the sidebar and open the add-ons page. Here, you'll find the available integrations that extend what WP Forms can do. Look for the add-on for the payment gateway you want to use, such as the one that best fits your business or organization, and click Install Add-on. This is an important part of the setup because your form needs a payment provider connected before it can actually collect money. You can also navigate to the payments area in WP Forms. From there, connect your payment gateway by following the connection prompts. This part links your site to your payment processor, so be sure the connection is completed properly before moving on. Once that's done, you're ready to build the form itself. Now go to WP Forms and click Add New. Enter a name for your form so it's easy to recognize later, then choose a template. The billing or order form template and the donation form template are both great starting points, since they already include some useful fields and can save you time. Inside the drag and drop builder, look to the left panel and scroll down to the payment fields section. This is where you'll find the fields used to create pricing options. Drag in fields like single item or multiple items to display the products or services you want to offer. After adding them, click each field to customize the labels and prices so everything matches what you're selling. Clear pricing makes the form easier for visitors to understand and reduces confusion during checkout. After that, add the standard fields you need for customer information such as name, email, and address. These details are often essential for order records, follow-up communication, and billing purposes. Once your fields are in place, click Save in the top right corner. Then enable payment processing for the form so WP Forms knows to send the payment data through your connected gateway. This step is what turns a regular form into a working payment form. Finally, publish your form. At that point, it's live and ready for visitors to use on your website, and that's how to create a payment form in WP Forms from setup to publish.